know you got me now. I know you got me now. I know you got me now. Followed you up and down. Followed you up and down. Followed you up and now I done lost my mind. Now I done lost my mind. Now I done lost my mind. Now I know you lie. Now I know you lie. Now I know you lie. God said I brought my
hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Baby girl, I tell you that I want you. Baby girl, I tell you that I need you. Baby girl, I tell you I gonna love you, yeah. Na sako mati sabra fra. Na dawe pa mu wa. Oh, you mama sunshine, beautiful sunshine. It's watching every morning, every day. Sunshine, beautiful sunshine. It's watching every morning, every day. When you wanna go, I said, oh, baby, I am more. I'm so anti, I'm one of I saw feel my love, I said,
Where are you from, Ghana? Where are you from, Togo? Where are you from, China? I say down, so me, go me. I say down, so me, go me. Go down, back on the floor. Go down, back on the floor. Go down. I do the dance, we won't make a ready for the fire. Yeah, man. Hey, take out the prayer, who's up? One love. Yeah. I will kill them all. You don't know, but you want it. Then you put them in. Hey, that's the way one. Because I can. Yeah. It's gone for the puppy. Let me know this. I'm on the beat. It's still I mean, I'm a beat. It's all about Hamalike music, Bona. Original Fefe. Bukna Branya Manche Wonder Bushiwa. Hamalike ne. DJ Charlie, roll it on. It's about Hamalike. Yeah. You like the way you run. You like the way you run. I'm almost like all the time. I should get to my cocoa fine, girl. I like the way you run. I like the way you run. I'm almost like all the time. I should get to my cocoa fine. Shake to the under, shake to the under, shake to the under, hey. Shake to the under, shake to the under, shake to the under, hey. Shake to the under, shake to the under, shake to the under, hey. Shake to the under, shake to the under, shake to the under, hey. Summer sugar, no, sugar, I don't feel the vibes. Sugar, I don't feel the vibes, hey. Mama sugar, no, sugar, I don't feel the vibes. Sugar, I don't feel the vibes, hey. Baby, it takes me high, straight up to the sky. Say I love them, make me not fly, girl. So everything, anything where you want it, just tell me. I go do everything for you, my baby. Cause the love you show me, nobody go to show me. It be you, babe, where you show me love. Shake to the under, shake to the under, shake to the under, hey. Shake to the under, shake to the
Yo, so I'm here with one of the musicians. One of the artists that went to perform on stage. And let's have a talk with him. I think I don't really know your name. Well, can you remind me?
Okay, once again, I'm Hamalike.
Hamalike, yeah, he's called Hamalike, and I'm here with him. So how did your performance go?
Oh yeah, it was cool.
And how did your fans react to your performance?
Oh, they were happy.
They were really happy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So tell me a little bit about your music career.
Okay. Yeah. Let's say Hamalike is the music name, and then I started somewhere in the year 2015. Yeah, I started with reggae, and then dancehall, and then I came to Afro pop and then Afro beat. Yeah. So for now I'm with Afro pop and then Afro beat.
Oh, that's nice. Can you give us some freestyle?
Okay. With let's say Afro pop or reggae.
Any of them, just give us some freestyle.
Okay. So let's go. I like the way you whine your backside things for me, especially when you twerking left and right for me. Either do like I take something way ginger my body. Girl body shaky, make my body honey. Yibi yaba yaba yibi yaba yaba yibi yakayo. Yibi yaba yaba yibi yaba yaba yibi yakayo. Open for me, make I enter. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's very, very nice. Is it out?
Yeah, it's out.
So where can your fans or someone watching you outside, where can they get your
they can
music?
Get it on Audio Mac,
Okay.
and then Boomplay. So far,
Okay.
that's only two
Okay.
let's say handles I have. Yeah.
So thanks for talking to me. I will invite you so that we have more chats on my show.
welcome.
So guys, that's Hamalike, one of the artists who performed today. So stay tuned and watch out for more artists. Okay, so guys, once again, I'm here with another artist. He's called D-Dollars. Me a show pastor Wasika. I'm sure he has a lot of money. So let's talk to him. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Manike. What about you?
Okay, I'm the dollars.
Hey, Sika Beba. So tell me, how was your performance?
It was amazing. I really like it.
Okay, so how did your fans react to it?
Oh, they were also happy.
Are you sure they were happy?
Yeah, they
Because
were happy.
I saw that some people were not dancing.
Oh, they were happy.
Okay, so can you tell me a bit about your music career?
Okay, anyway, I started music not quite long, and I'm not out yet. I'm planning to come out in November this year, hopefully.
Okay, so apart from that, does your family support you in your music career?
Exactly, they support me, but their only concern is for me to be careful of the kind of words I use in my music.
In your music, yeah, they want you to be careful. They want you to be giving advice to people, right? Yes. So okay, who do you see to be your mentor in the industry?
Okay. The one that I really is my mentor. It's Anakontehene. It's unfortunate.
Kontehene. Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
I really
That's
like
nice.
it. I really like it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's my mentor.
Okay. So, was your girlfriend here to support you?
I don't have a girlfriend.
Hey, $10. You have money like this. You don't have a
I don't have a
girlfriend.
girlfriend.
All right. Okay. So, because the program is ongoing, I'll invite you to my show and we'll have more talk.
Okay, no
So, thank you for talking to me.
You're welcome.
So, guys, that was $10. Stay tuned for more artists.
Hey, bad man. All right, Teshie, where you are? Fireman, bad man in the dance side. Yellow man, go be on the dance side. Conscious of me, I will be on the dance side. Fireman, bad man in the dance side. Yellow man, go be on the dance side. Conscious of me, I will be on the dance side. Jah, see, I have been dwelling forever. Put upon them in a dancer. You love me with the lyrical fire. Knowledge is an art to power. I never seen me up burn them fire. Some boy them and them a vampire. Dance on fire, come take it over. King yellow me a get to Shatta. Since me a burn it higher. Boom barra bad mascata. Say yellow, yellow. Say yellow, yellow. Say yellow, yellow. I was a sleeper spirit that took me through. I go prove and move and just I say I never believer. No vampire go touch me to your liver. Busha. John, see last year the nation. Nation. I'm the nation. You're the nation.
Okay, so this one day I don't even know how to mention the name, but all I can say is Yellow Man. Let him mention his name himself. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Please, can you tell me your name?
Yeah, King Kalusha, aka Ghana Yellow Man, original dancer king 2018.
Hey, is this your name, yeah? Why is the plate like? It's like, why is the Yellow Man inside?
Yeah, because of my identity and the way that I'm looking in it. So that is the name, you know. I took it to myself that no, I have to be a yellow man in Ghana. We have yellow man in Jamaica, but I'm a yellow man in Ghana. So I'm the GH yellow man in Ghana.
So which of the music do you do? Do you do reggae, hip hop? Which one do you do?
Yeah, I do reggae music and dancehall music all together.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Can you give me some freestyle?
Fire burn bad man in the dance yellow man me come up in the dance conscious me ya only pan the dance still a stabilize in the dance.
Oh, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice. Okay, so you've already been on stage, right?
Yeah.
So how was your performance? Did your fans like it?
Yeah, you know, my fans like it most, and it's like, oh wow. Even some of my friends are with me, you know, they are giving me praise about my performance and my stage acting and everything. And I really know about this show too. It's a maximum show, you know, yeah.
Okay, so does your family really support you in this your music career?
My family, if I would say, it's like they are Christian family, so they don't support me to be, but that is my destiny and I choose to be. So no matter what the situation, I have to do it.
Moving. Okay, so this is a program, but I'll be inviting you to my show so that we talk more about your music career. And so before you go, I want to ask you, who is your mentor? Who do you look at in the music industry, both in Ghana and beyond?
Okay, in Ghana, if I would say nobody is my mentor in Ghana because if I would say type of the music that they've been promoting and they are doing is not in my, if I would say in my stage. Yeah, the one who is my mentor that I prefer is Anthony B in Jamaica. That is my mentor.
All right, sir. Thank you very much for talking to me.
Thank you very much too. Welcome.
Thank you. So guys, that was Yellow Man, a reggae dancehall artist. Stay tuned for more artists.
Coco Cala Coco, baby, let me feel see on your talk or baby cano. Question on your fuck or baby cano. Question on your dog, the coco, I saw call baby cano. Question only a taco. Ow, I saw call. Okay, yeah, nothing one and no be a boo. Chugga boo, come here, no. I just boo, I got Bojinamo. See you, like we were that deep. So, but in my heat back, they call me about bang. When I make a no size, see me up. Afu, Koklo, Dark face and this. Yes, okay, yeah, why Savage, okay. Nakolo, Nakolo, see you, Kolo, Daddy King.
Okay, guys, so I have another artist here, and then he's called Olonga. Me credit is shocking me, po. What am I in in Yo, what's up?
Charlie, cool, I did for you. What's up? What you going?
Oh, cool. Like your performance was on fire.
Charlie, how you go do? Charlie, you know, if my town is something that they do, so I can support. I have to show their love to the fans to see whatever is going on. Charlie, you know, all angles. So go and cut to the world, you know.
Okay, so that means you are not a full-time musician, right?
No, I'm a full-time musician. I've been in music almost getting to 10 years.
Oh wow! Can you give me some freestyle, like some freestyle?
Eshekete ni alo elekete ni alo eshekete. Imo kwa fonyo soso dani mafandu ade. Ashima ashi ya apu ya na etele sese. Maji yegwe mo ntele ke gagba. Majala mambi ya manage yo na anda. Mapupulu mafufulu mi na ado.
Oh, that's very nice. So, does your family support your music career?
Come again.
Does your family support your music career?
Yes, a lot.
Wow. And your
My younger brother, my mom, my dad, everybody.
Oh, that's very nice. More of them. Was your girlfriend here to support you?
Come again.
Was your girlfriend here to support you?
No, my girlfriend is still in the country at the moment.
Okay, but I know she's supporting you from afar.
From afar, from AB to the world.
Charlie, me want more energy in the crowd. Me want more energy in the crowd. Energy in the crowd. Energy in the crowd. And I'm going to say move gas on more body. I'm going to say move gas on more body. And so let's do this right now. Wait. Now. No. I want to take some energy. Make I take some energy. You check like if you know you people make ready. You make ready. MJ, make we go.
I don't be give me all I want to. Early money. Me too. Trying to be you now, even me what. I am here, even me what she want. Never she want for me, grant me, see, I got right back, got me, I tell you about that. She has skin out for me, saw the thing, one time, she don't give me enough thoughts. Yeah, she the Sylver, and I know that, she be cocoa. One time, two them, blah. I tell you, baby, Araba. Everybody say, oh, say me, trying to be you now, baby, me where she. Yo, cool. Yo, I say, hey, cannabis make them. Cannabis make them. Cannabis make them. Vapor, DJ. See we look up the country. Okoro, come give me. Man, will you pass me this something right now? Black City woman. Alright then, I will say. Can we flying on the sky? See we love life, I will live life. We are partying on you. Everybody sing so cannabis make them. Cannabis make them. That's it. Let's go. 1, 2, so. Jump! We're ready! Go on, tell the situation. See, you got a lot of going. Go on, tell the situation. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 6. You are real, I have pass. They are not enough. You can come pass. I can't get free on that. Where you are not? You are not. You are there. You go. Oh, Teshie. Them say we they do like that. Oh, from the back there. Oh, Teshie. Go that way. Everybody. If you don't see, come, it is something. Teshie, hey, one run for your head. 247, no call from a friend. Come in, say something wrong with the head. God bless you if you get bad. I read. Me, I'm going to come from you if you don't like that. I know what I do. I read. I got before you get there. Make you know, do you say I get here? I read. Shatta on your ding, long to stop for them say. I read. Shatta on charging, my family meeting, while charging. I read. If I know the one from you, who know the one from you? I read. If I know no school and I know no book, then go teach you. I read. Shatta sound like they if it's different back. I read. Teshie, different than me. Sorry, I'm very sick. Listen. Wale. Everybody say, life is all about thinking. Never lazy. That's it. Yo, Frost. Chucks to score. Hey, Teshie. I can first time in my performance here. Yes, I saw. To every pretty girl in the corner, this is all. Just really banana. Close my race, they're gonna. Listen. Be fast. Make money. Mr. Hater. I met you with that. What happened? I met you with that. I mean, you would not know, that's your name. What is that? I mean, you would not know, well, I'm finished. Peter! Shatta! Wale! They want to raise on the guns and everything, so we know the friend that who said, who on the king in a gun of someone can come to the little. That's right. My people, make a quick and full. Don't let them lie to you. Why are they hustling and dying? Come on, man, they get still dying. If you go to my mother, you go die. See today, I didn't make my money. Hey, shame on you. See how they shine. Yeah, what I will tell you, say, Shatta one day, be coming back here. So we not salute. We come from the land of my country. When we hear you, we go. When you see me, some people want to struggle. So we move and chop. But they can't stand and can't talk. Boy, I come from the hard knocks. Sing them system, guys, yeah. We don't drop your songs like sick. God bless my identity. And the few things I'm losing. Hey, from this side! Remember, I knew they were my Marco. So don't come tell me about no shit. Can you get a word in there, honey? Let nobody tell me bullshit. I get my colleagues for this industry. They move it up every day, long kick. I gotta get out of job minds. Come on, they like a coconic. I'm a just show them, I'm a just show me, Shatta you, which I'm in job, police, number me, I started notice, if them disrespect, I go disrespect them. Fuck you, say, mama live, yeah, oh yeah, another in your classic. No, I wanna motivation, I got shit to do. When you wake it up, everybody go down. Like they see Jesus, boyfriend, so me a joker. Come shot in at them boy like everybody knows how we go like so. From the ghetto, me man them now. That's the way you like ya. Remember me gangsters never leave a lie like rollers. When we roll out, everybody shut up. Right, that was good, Da Vinci SN. Money don't spend. So like calling from family and friends and some funny one. In a red them. That black and white China woman be a black as a $3 fight. I'm a rich them. God bless every scammer in a this year. Give up on the gap so you can take this trip. Let time people out. Everybody be the money say too fast. Really get out. The party all night long. Listen. You painted your monkey. Ready to get for a slums down there. Teshie! Meet up again, first of all, the one you worship. I guess you're not. You're beating in the mobile. You miss me, you miss me. Hey, you got COVID-19 on your head, Toto. Come on, COVID-19 on your head, Toto. What are you doing? You know me up here. But what's your corner? What's your bad man listen? What's your no fair on your phone? No, no, me. Original agent. You can't see me in papier. You can never know. Nobody said, Mama, support me, support all. We're gonna radio station, can I come and Chamela? Come and Chamela. I'm not done this shit. You don't go to radio station, you know it's so. In this world, I'm searching for this kind of love. You're so beautiful, you look so good. So tell me what you want. She said, Teshie. I can do everything that's can't you see, say, man, I'm soldier. Keep saying, man, like I do, listen. The makeup, Shatta, super scared. Hey, Teshie, what's up? Whip. Me find like my dancing. Me just like my dancing. The kid I like something. Speed up from Ben Johnson. Moving like Jerry John Rollins. Because we don't take no nothing. We like pretty girl like big on nothing. Chopping like something frozen. Like I see my nothing, give me like bossing. We do what you say, we never posting. When we are raised, no man like us. Big on all the glasses. That's why everybody like my team. Listen. My guy, Shatta one so. We know in a party mountain. Fucking market so we see them like Joseph. We still stand up on them. Walk up on them. None of them are posting. We got me first in the winner. And Madina. Keep up the ones never losing. Go pushing from a fade. And a mirror. Shatta still closing. More better. She should go for it. For I ain't not dead. Let me go first. Remember we still overdose with the music. It's up and go. Yeah, the same thing. Remember the Shatta move like the Ayitey. Not compete with the hype. Shatta Homowo. I have a look at Shatta. Come from me and party. But you ain't get away like a Shatta one. It's how you go proceed. It's not too much. So much. It's a but when you don't go Shatta one. It's a good one. I get a chill water. Listen.